tee at Pacific Dunes. There's the clubhouse back there. That big complex behind the tree is a giant putting area they call the Punch Bowl. A lot of fun. You can go out there with your friends, have a couple of beers, and they got 2 18-hole putting courses normally. Down the first fairway here, and then off to the side you can see 18 fairway and 18 green. Very nice finishing hole. So first hole from the greens is 304. Not too tricky. You want to be favoring the left half so you can actually see the green on your second shot. You get over there on the right, you got a blind shot in. Going right into the wind on the first tee. Corey hit one of his hybrids pretty well over the left edge. Good shot.
Thanks. All right, Stan's going with a 5-iron.
Yeah, see if the wind will leave it alone a little bit.
Hang on.
Stay there.
Hang on. Maybe.
Okay.
All right, so Stan's ball came over here into the rough, but he's actually got a good view into the hole. What are you hitting, Stan?
130 with this headwind. I'm going to hit 9-iron.
Okay.
Lie's not too bad. Yeah, that's a club and a half wind, isn't it? Oh, I pulled it. Dang
You pulled it.
That's going to be in the bunker or worse.
All right.
Oh, nice looking shot. Going right at it. Did you get it there?
I think that'll work.
Good ball.
All right, Stan's got about 25 yards. He's got to go up about 15 feet to a green that's going away from him with the wind at his back. This is a pretty tough shot. Oh my God, what a shot. Nicely done.
Stay on?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think you could have done it any better.
Corey had a nice approach, and he's got about 20 feet up the hill for birdie.
Yep. It's all right.
All right. Good par. Take it away.
Thank you. All right, so what do you see, Stan? Right about there? About 8 inches out?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Call it 2 cups. Cup and a half.
Hit it.
Oh, a little harder.
Line. Good roll. All right, second hole is a par 4. Stan says it's playing 336, right into the teeth of the wind. Got a bunker in the middle of the fairway, like right there. Cover, it's about 190 yards. We probably have a 15 to 20 mile an hour wind going right now, so let her rip.
Or 25. All right.
Well, you hit it hard.
Stay there.
Good ball. All right.
Good ball. Going basically the same line I did, a couple yards better. That could make all the difference.
Got it up in the air.
So Corey had 125 into the wind. What'd you hit?
That was an 8-iron.
8-iron.
And that just climbed the wind, didn't it? All right, so Stan has no shot at the green.
There's always a shot.
Well, he could bank it off that one tree up there. I've seen that done. Nice play. Okay, so what are you thinking, Stan? You got what, 40, 45 yards?
I got right at 45 yards. I'm thinking putt the ball. I don't want to chip off of this into this wind.
I think that's a good call. You know what? That was a good play. Nicely done.
Thanks.
Got it to what, 10, 12 feet? Oh, and that was a Freeman. All right, you got what, 12, 14 feet up the hill a little bit?
10 or 12 feet.
Okay.
I think between the slope and the wind, it's got to go to the right a little bit.
It's got to leak a little.
Yeah, it looked pretty straight.
Pretty straight, little wind.
Great putt.
He's got about 4 feet left to get his par. Good putt, good par.
Thanks. All right, third hole, 476 yard, par 5, right into the teeth of the wind. We've got bunkers kind of scattered around the middle of the fairway. Stan's just going to pummel one out there.
Smooth pummel. Uh-oh, pulled it. Get away from that bunker.
That's good place to be too.
Good miss.
Okay, low and left, not bad.
Nice hit. Going on a good line right of those center bunkers. Good shot.
All right, gonna hit the 4 hybrid and try and keep it about, you know, apex at about 6 feet. Ah!
All right, flare it out to the right. Yeah, you're still on the short stuff.
That was terrible. All right, Stan's in the wispy long grass. He's got 230. Looks like he's going with a 5-iron.
Get over that. All right. Wasn't a great lie. I was just trying to get over. All right, Corey's getting artsy here. 130 into a stiff wind. He's gonna get 7-iron. Try to fillet it up there.
Ah!
Get over.
Nope.
Caught the bunker.
Bad swing.
Through the grass too in front of it. So.
All right, Stan's going with 8-iron. This is a brutal shot. You know, he got it out, but boy, it caught the wind and it's going left. All right, so Stan lost the ball on his 3rd shot. So he's taking a drop for hitting 5. Touch them all. That's bunker. So while Stan was looking for his ball, I was in a bunker, and I went ahead and hit out of the bunker to about 10 feet, 12 feet. Yep, he's still in the bunker. And he's still in the bunker. And he's out of the bunker. All right. Oh, and I blew it way past. Dang it.
See if you can make the comebacker. Nope.
Okay, just a little downwind, par 4, about 440 yards. Ocean and beach on the right, bunkers on the left.
Oh, I
And
got
he
the
hit a
toe
hard
around.
draw. We gotta kind of show you what this looks like here. Standing on the tee box, and no matter how far you turn, you just got ocean the whole way. This is stunning.
Corey's also going 3-wood, trying to get something in the fairway. Good hit, right down the middle.
All right, what, you got about 180 in?
I got 205. I'm gonna hit 8-iron, try to get it up to the front of the green because this one releases really hard.
Okay.
Oh, and I got a little too far left.
Oh, and he hit that bunker up there.
Hit 9-iron from where?
175.
All right, sounds like a plan.
And the wind dies.
Corey hit a great drive. He's in the right part of the fairway, good angle. Going up at the left part of the green, but everything funnels over towards the ocean, so that could turn out really nice.
All right, Stan, how far do you think you got? About 60, 70 yards?
I got about 50,
50?
55, according to my
You gonna
watch.
flip a 54 out of there?
I'm gonna take a 58 and just, it's gonna run away from me.
Yeah, I like it.
Don't really know the line, but we'll guess.
Yep.
Ocean?
All right, so Stan had to take an unplayable lie. He had a ball in the course and didn't want to rip himself up, so he dropped 4, he's hitting 5. And went right under the ball. All right, going with the flat stick.
We're there yet?
About 12, 14 feet.
All right, Corey's got about 7 feet for birdie here. That approach took that slope and rolled right over here like he wanted.
Ah,
Nope,
broke a
just
little more.
wandered away.
All right, Stan's being a trooper. Oh, nice roll. Yeah,
Didn't hit
just
it.
short.
All right, 5th hole, par 3. It's about 177 middle, 195 about to this pin. And, you know, 2 or 3 club tailwind.
Yeah, or 4.
So Corey's going 8-iron?
8-iron.
8-iron.
It's me and Brooks Koepka. 8-iron for 195.
With a hard green and a tailwind, you can be Brooks Koepka on the yardage.
All right, they're out of the way. Here we go. I lost it.
I don't know if it carried far enough. I think if I go with 9, I'll never carry the front of the green, so.
Okay, so strong 8-iron. Aim at the left side of the green. Oh, that was well struck.
I think I got a kick to
Can't
the
tell.
right. Take the turn. Well, sort of. Not bad.
All right, Stan's got about 5 feet to the hole. Nice roll.
Good putt.
Thanks. All right, Stan.
7th hole, 436 with the wind. Get something in play.
Oh, nice ball. That was solid. Nicely done. Yeah, I kind of necked it. Hitting 9-iron. I tugged it a little bit.
Just short. Okay, that'll work. That's good. Good lead.
Alright, got 102 wind. I got to take something off here with this tailwind. Hit maybe a 75-yard shot, maybe 80.
Well, he clipped it nice.
Hey,
Yep, nicely done. Probably 25 feet.
little short, little right. Corey got the slope in front of the green. Got probably about 40, 45 yards.
Too much. Boy, I got all ball on that one, didn't I? All right, Stan's got about 30 feet up a little incline. Yeah, that was a good roll.
Thanks.
Nice par.
Yeah, Corey's got about 25 feet back down the hill after that putt from in front. Yeah, pretty good speed. Good putt.